Namaskaram girls, welcome to 12th standard. This programs chat display most of the language JavaScript, PHP, C++, C, Java and Python. In Python is the highest most language. C++ 99% users, but Python 100% users. Though Python is a procedural and object-oriented language. It is a website-created language. This guy, Guido van Rossum. Python is a general-purpose programming language. General-purpose programming language. In 11th, object-oriented language C++, but Python is a general-purpose programming language. Created Guido van Rossum from CWI, National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands, 1991. Python got its name from a BBC comedy series from 70s, Monty Python's Flying Circus. So, Python supports both procedural and object-oriented programming languages. Already we know key features of Python in intro class. So, next we are going to how to use Python. In version 3.x of Python, IDLE, Integrated Development Learning Environment, is used to develop and run Python code. It can be downloaded from the web resource www.python.org. Then, invoking Python, you can computer to open Start All Programs, Python 3.x, IDLE Python. Otherwise, you can open the double click on the Python icon in your desktop. We get the Python window. The Python window same as the normal another windows of normal windows. You can menu bar at the top, title bar, in the prompt symbol. What is the prompt symbol? The 3 greater than symbol is a prompt. The prompt indicates that interpreter is ready to accept instruction to the user. The prompt screen means IDLE is working in interactive mode. Python have 2 modes. One is a scripting mode and second mode is interactive mode. The prompt symbol is the interactive mode. It is a direct simple calculator by using simple mathematical expression. For example, 5 plus 10, 15. 5 plus 50 into 10. We got the result 0.05. 5 into 2. We got the result 25. What is 5 into 2? 5 to the power of 2. So 5 into 5, 25. That is the prompt symbol. The code is working. Next, creating scripting mode in creating Python. File, new file or Control plus N. File, new file. We got a new script window. This is the script mode of Python. The user can type any code in the script editor. For example, coding A is equal to 100, B is equal to 350, C is equal to A plus B. Then print statement What is the print statement? You know, girls? Yeah, that is the output statement. The sum is C. C store the answer. So print statement return the C value. Next, save the Python script. Choose File, Save, press Ctrl plus S. So File, Save, you click. We got the Save As dialog box. Save As dialog box and put the file name to the file name. .py in the extension of Python. So file name Kala. Example kala.py. Kala is the file name. .py is a Python file indication. Finally, click Save button. We can ready to use executing to Python script. So executing Python, run. Choose run module or press F5. The script mode is execution and result is the output window is displayed. 450 answer is the displayed. Next, input and output function. A program needs to interact with the user to accomplish the desired task. This can be achieved using input and output statement. So this is function, input function and output function. The input function helps to enter data at runtime by the user and output function to display the result to the program screen after execution. So output means print, input means input function. The example of print function. The print function is used to display result on the screen. The syntax is given below. Printf, variable, parenthesis, include the parenthesis. So welcome to Python programming. Within double quotes, print statement using parenthesis and double quotes. We can use print function, double quotes and parenthesis. The print evaluates the expression before printing it on the monitor. Next, one more example of input function. So input function get the input of the user, accept the data. So for example, city is equal to input, enter your city in Madurai. I am from Madurai. Next, commands in Python. It is a single line command. It is multiple line command using hash symbol. Hash symbol using the commands line. Next, we goes to indentation and tokens. We will meet next class. Thank you.